Welcome back to our channel. It's us again. I'm Lot.
And I'm Marius, and today we are going to show to you how you can do a homemade face mask, because as we all know, wearing a face mask in these days is very important.
Exactly. So one of the reasons widespread public face mask wearing is very important in this period in our fight against COVID-19 is because of the fact that there are asymptomatic carriers who can still spread the virus to other people. So this makes it even more difficult to suppress transmission in the community. But if everybody is wearing face masks, that means that infected people and also those asymptomatic ones are wearing face masks. And this helps reduce the amount of virus which gets into the environment. So this is why wearing face masks these days is beneficial.
That's why today we are going to show to you how you can create your own homemade face mask in two different ways.
Okay. So I will show you one way of making your homemade face mask. You just need a piece of cloth. Square ones or rectangular ones are recommended. So I have this one here. Okay, so this is one of my headwears that I'm no longer using. So I'm going to turn it into a face mask. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is fold it like this. Okay. So we have to make sure that the cloth is cleaned properly, and also we have to make sure that the table is also clean. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is fold a bit here like this, then fold a bit more like this. Okay, and then we need our hair ties, two hair ties. The first one we have to put on the other side like this. And then another one on the other side. Okay, and then we fold here. Do another folding. So now we already have our homemade face mask. So this is how it looks like.
And now it's my turn to present to you how I will do my own face mask. And I'm also having here a piece of cloth and two hair ties. Fold the lower part like this, and also the upper side like this, and then I will fold them together like this to be aligned, and then I will place these hair ties first on the right side like this, and then on the left side like this, like this, and then I will fold the right side over here and the left side over here, and in order to have it fixed, I will put the right side inside of the left side like this, So by doing all this, we have a face mask already. It's like this. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to make it and you can wear it outside. We hope that you learned something from us today, and be sure you'll wear your face mask in public. Be safe right there and observe social distancing.
And if you are not subscribed yet to our channel, we will appreciate it if you will hit the subscribe button below. And we will see you again in our next vlog. Bye!
Bye!